It always begins with glowing hot steel, sawed, pressed, rolled and tested, because high quality right from the start is the standard for EMO products. At the company's location in southern Germany's Gremsdorf, slewing rings and slew drives are produced from the seamless rolled rings. Here, the crucial steps of turning, drilling, gearing, hardening, performing detailed work on the raceways, and final assembly are carried out. The EMO Group is one of the leading manufacturers of large anti-friction slewing rings with diameters up to 5,200 millimeters and self-contained slew drives. The products available range from standard products from the catalog to custom slewing rings and slew drives which are designed to meet specific customer needs. EMO is an expanding group of enterprises which supplies industries working in future technologies with its products, such as wind power or photovoltaic tracking, crane technology or plant construction. Dedicated employees are the key to success at EMO. Human resources development is of fundamental importance. The EMO Group consists of 4 independent enterprises: EMO Antriebseinheit, EMO Energy and EMO Momentenlager, and each is specialized in one particular field of application. EMO Holding carries out central service functions for the other companies. Every single company is specialist in its area for slewing rings or slew drives. We are the strong partners. EMO Antriebseinheit has some real heavyweights of the branch among its customers. The slew drives used as part of a steering application of a harbour mobile crane have to move masses. Patented self-contained gear units from EMO Antriebseinheit drive these gigantic machines with ease. The harbour mobile crane, with a loading capacity of over 200 tons, is designed for container handling and heavy-duty handling. The manufacturers rely on the heavy WDH series of EMO slew drive for their precise maneuverability. They combine highest loads within the smallest mounting space. WDH slew drives are to be found in many products that require high working loads, along with accurate steering capabilities at the same time. In addition to the worm-driven slew drives of the heavy series, EMO also manufactures a lighter version of this type, WDL series. Light and heavy models are also available as pinion-driven slew drives, the SP series. EMO slew drives can be supplied with flanged electric and hydraulic motors too. Many well-known man-lift platform manufacturers rely on EMO slew drives. In the field of renewable energy, for example, EMO supplies the leading solar tracker manufacturers within the branch. Slew drives direct solar panels of up to 140 square meters towards the sun. Thereby, the yield of the solar unit can be increased up to 35%. A broad spectrum of standard slew drives of many different designs and sizes are available for the customer. The development of customized versions also possible. The EMO slew drives, which are sold worldwide, have a set position in an innovative market. Often, EMO engineers have introduced the idea to their customers for optimizing the construction by using an EMO slew drive. The rings of the slewing rings are manufactured on production machines of the latest technological standards. Blanks are through a robot handling system. All cutting work, such as, for example, turning, drilling and thread cutting, are realized completely within this robot handling system. Having passed through the robot handling system, the rings are moved on to the hardening machines. The raceway of the rings is inductively hardened here in order to assure a safe transfer of high loads which might occur in some applications during usage. Hereby, perfect hardening of the steel is of utmost importance. After the ring is cleaned and all the remains of grease and oil removed, preserved, becomes part of a slewing ring within the assembly. At IMO, each single component has to pass through strict controls before being mounted. Continuous inspection assure the quality of the end product. The slew drives designed and patented by IMO are heading for a long service life. This has even been extended at the WDL series by a special corrosion-protected version. The contacts pattern verification is carried out at the end of the assembly in order to determine the location of the gearing. The testing of the circumferential backlash between the worm and worm gear ensures a small backlash service lifelong. IMO slew drives are used in many different applications worldwide. The company is known for providing competent, technical, expert advice and comprehensive customer service. IMO Antriebseinheit is the driving force for turning. For over 20 years, IMO has been developing, manufacturing and selling slewing rings and slew drives. Its economic development is above average because IMO focuses on future technologies. It would be impossible to imagine growth markets such as renewable energies without IMO products. Its great potential, however, lies in its workforce. The IMO Group employs over 1,000 people. The company was named several times one of Bavaria's best 50 by the Bavarian Department of Trade and Industry for its sustained growth in sales and creation of new jobs. For years in a row, IMO has belonged to the champions of growth, the 200 fastest-growing companies in Europe.